Yes, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install JetBrains Air on Windows operating system. So first is if I open or displays command prompt, let's write there CLS. If I write there git minus minus version. So git version 2.5 for that install. And if I write there pw sh minus minus version. So PowerShell this 763 that install. The next is let's close this one. Now to get the software in Google search box right there, JetBrains Air, then go on this air.dev site. So click this and run Beyond Ascent side by side. So here you can download for Windows. So click on and there Windows x64. So you can see the file is downloading. The total size 199 MB. Now here I'm going to create one directory, new, then here let's give the name app1. Then after, let's see here, this download that's done, simply need to click on this exe file. And now you need to wait for few second times. So installation wizard that's come there, click on next, next, and icon, click on install. So here you can see, or this is now JetBrains Air. This is currently installing inside your Windows operating system. So this is the one of the best or the best AI for developer. You can use AI agent side by side. So this done here. Let's click on finish. Simply you need to click on this air icon and wait for few second times. This is now opening. You can choose your reason. So here, let's give the Asia Pacific and let's click on this continue. You can use Codex, Claude, Gemini, Zuni. So let's use there or Gemini. So log in with the Google. Now you can see authorization successful. Then here, let's this continue button that's enable. Click on this continue, 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 finish. So check automatically here. Click on this open. There I just created one directory app1. Select and click on open. So click on this trust. So here since Git is initialize install, so this option that's come there. Let's click on this initialize Git. Then after this app, right click new file. Let's give there test for Python. We need to give there Python py extension test.py. So simply writing there print, then double quote hello world. So hello world control S, this saved there. Now let's open the terminal. So this is currently detecting the PowerShell that already have. So 763 that already have. And wait for few second times. So this is now, if I write, so to run this, let's write there Python, then test.py. Press enter, hello world, that's display. Now let's use their Gemini. So light that's selecting there. Then after, let's test with the hello and click on this allow. And this is here only for our testing. Is it working or not? See this returning there. How can I help you? So I'm going to ask a question at five numbers in Python, then without plus, then add into test.py file. So this is my next question. Add five numbers in Python without plus and then add into test.py. So this detected there. This so one allow and this no first selected there. First option press enter. This added the after here you can see and thereafter here you can see this that's come there. So do you want to proceed? One. Okay, this selected there and Python and here or code generated this that's come there. This is now thereafter this code that I'm going to run. Control S to save. Let's use there. So here the sum is 17 that's display. So this is how we can use this install JetBrains Air and use. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.